Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox the ColorRush Studio kit for the month of March. I have to say that slow to make sure I always get it right. This is the main kit, and then I have two of the add-on kits to also show you. So classically with the kit, you are always going to get a collection of, sprinkling of the papers, some decorative bits, the, ephemera, textured elements, and then title pieces / an alpha. Kind of a formulaic thing, but we all need that when we have a kit, right? We all need it. And this one is extra special because if you've been eyeing the Simple Stories Flower Shop collection, you are getting a good, healthy, amount of it because the papers are gorgeous and so are the die cuts. So let's just start with all the stuff on top. So these are the bits and pieces. You get dimensional textured butterflies, frazzles, and ribbons in colors that obviously highlight the beautiful flower shop from Simple Stories. This one's really done well. Bits and pieces. So these are just like acrylic dimensional daisies. We have the floral shop floral bits. So these are the ones that you'll get in this collection, which is right up my alley. And this one is definitely reminiscent of last year's, or it might be 2 years, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. I just happened to be working with what I had left in a recent project. That one, it's this one again. Like I just kind of rebranded it. Similar illustrations. I guess it was a fan favorite. They're bringing it back. This one's called Shine On Alphas. It's silver on pink. You can see that pink foam. We got two craft colored doilies, and then you're getting two pieces of most of the papers. So this one's called Dreamer. So you have butterflies on this side and then the purple polka dot. You have Beautiful is this one, a great plaid and a floral. This one's called Fabulous, floral and another plaid in the mint tones. Your journal elements, which I love, and then a good floral on the back, and then one individual of these. So see, this one is Life in Bloom. So they threw in this one. So I told you it could be blended. I told you, I knew it. So here's Life in Bloom. We have the wreath page, which is gorgeous, and then this foliage in the back. And then a Gig'em, Wisteria Gig'em from Flower Shop, which has the two sort of tones. So like I said, great collection for March. Love it, love it. Let me show you what the add-ons are now. So these are all, that's the first kit. So then the add-ons you get, it's these bits and pieces. We got wood veneer that look like little houses and little geotags. And I'm thinking it looks like the word maybe home maybe in there because I saw an H. Let me just see. Yes. So I think maybe one of the little shapes could be the O. Yep. So like you can do H-O or H-O-M-E. Like that. Very cute, very cute. So those are the wood veneer. We have some cork pieces in a hexagon shape. Sorry for touching that. B-U, a B, flower, and a blank one in the chipboard. Or no, is it chipboard? I just said it, cork. Then we have dimensional, actual like brass keys. They kind of remind me of a Tim Holtz moment. Could be very fun as a little accent. Then the add-on papers, we are playing with Cartabella Sweet Garden. So you get two of this little book paper with this repeating soft pattern in blush pink. This one with the little critters, garden critters with a like green on green tone. We have two of the cut aparts, which I do love, and there's the keys. So that's the motif with the keys. Love that. This one's called Journaling Cards. Okay, and then you have, this one's from Here, There, and Everywhere, Fresh Daisies. And that is that one. Okay, those are the papers. I'm going to put that under here. And then lastly is the acrylic kit. Now, these are amazing. I think I used every single piece from last month's kit. And unfortunately, one of mine showed up broken, but that's okay. It was this one because you can easily just kind of glue it together. It'll say Little Moments, but that's that. We have You Are Home in pink, Be Kind in yellow, Let's Stay Home in white. Got the home again, home in a white and in a beige. And these are the inserts to each of them. And then the words for big moments, and then a little yellow heart as well. So these are the contents of the month of March's kit and add-on options. Let me clear off my desk and we'll start with our first project. Okay, so let's get started. And I adore this wreath paper. And if I recall, because I didn't go thumbing through my albums before this, I think I did a layout when the collection first came out with this paper, but I can't remember, but it's familiar. But I will say, when collections do a wreath paper like this, it's always my favorite, let's be honest. So I love the way this looks with the doily there, but it being of the craft color makes me say, let me change it. So that's what I did. I just took some inexpensive craft paint and I am just going over it. I should have gotten a bigger piece of paper. I forgot how big it was, to make it white. And it turned out so much better. So don't be afraid to alter your supplies to make it work for you. The doily is a pretty thin material, and I did add a lot of paint. So I don't do what I do. Definitely use it sparingly because it got stuck a little bit. But in the end, it worked out just fine. So if you want to paint your doily, even if you did it like in a pastel green or even like a baby pink, that could work perfectly. It fits perfectly inside this wreath paper. So you can definitely take inspiration from this one and make that happen for your layout. So with the white, like it's so much better. And then you saw me already print out a 3x4 photo, and that frame that I put it in it is the chipboard frame from the Life in Bloom collection like 2 years ago. I actually have like 2 or 3 of them left over. One is like more of a rectangle, horizontal landscape vision orientation, and this one was just a small circle. And I thought, you know what, the small circle kind of works, and it also works because it's it had the flowers. And so I did mention that my acrylic pieces came broken, but that was an easy fix, just to glue them side by side, and you can't even tell that it was in 2 separate pieces. So no big complaint there. Then I want to add dimensions. So I am using a piece of fun foam. This one happened to just be in pieces already because my sister cut out something. My daughter cut out something from it. Don't know what, but it's okay in my book if it doesn't, cover it corner to corner. Just a little bit of the areas will do. Now, if you do this layout, I will say I went in a little, flower crazy using all of them. So if you want to do, many layouts with the floral embellishments, don't copy this part exactly, use them sparingly, but a good floral, like I went crazy. I used like most of the pack. I shouldn't have done that, but you know what, for the end effect, it is like me on a layout is this layout, you know what I mean? Like if a layout could represent Ty's personality and my love / obsession with florals, this is it. Now I know pinks and florals are not everyone's cup of tea, but I drink this tea regularly. So I'm just adding some of the butterflies around the wreath as well. I'm folding up the wings, so there's a little bit more dimension there. I have dimension from the acrylic. I have my photo up on fun foam, so we got some definite layers. I am going in with one of the little like textured pillowy flowers toward the end, and here I am placing a few of the acrylic daisies as little added details, and it turned out so good. You guys, do you ever do a layout and you're just like, yes, this is so me. This is the essence of Ty. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it's mostly for all of this lusciousness, right? Because it's only a 3x4 photo, which is fine. The frame, obviously, I think I mentioned it, is not in the kit, but it was in my stash that worked perfectly with the florals here. So I was like, let me just use this and break this out. And painting that doily, the white, perfect, because the tan was not gonna work well with all of this lusciousness. So don't get me wrong, like I think the only thing I would have done different is printed a bigger photo and maybe not have used the frame, but the frame adds so much more color to the layout that I'm just like absolutely in love. And these two, these are cute. I am probably going to use these one on every layout I do with this collection. So there we are for the first layout using this kit. This is the I want to say, gosh, I'm losing the names, all the names, something home, something with home. This is the kit for March. I will have it linked down below. There's the subscription for the main kit, the add-on, and or the acrylic, and I've used a little bit of everything. No, actually, I don't think I used anything from the add-on because the wood veneer, where did I put them? That's probably why. There was keys and wood veneer and cork. I could throw a cork on here, but I think it's good just the way it is. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Give this video always a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And until next time, everyone, bye.